Hello, I would like to make another additional video to the set of videos about the solution of P versus NP problem. I made some number of videos about that a while ago, and I intend to continue. But I've just been busy for the last year, and it has been sort of difficult to continue doing the videos. Anyway, so first I'd like to talk about information, what information really is. So I just wanna define information once again. So basically, information is the result of any kind of a contact between anything that exists in space. So basically, if something exists in space and the space is non-empty, and there is, so that's an object, right? That's a definition of an object or a thing or something, anything at all, like a photon or a ray of light or a piece of matter, anything. So a non-empty space, and if that thing that exists comes in contact with another thing that exists and interacts with it, and as a result of that, a state of either of them or both of them changes. So by state changing, I mean its position is going to change, its velocity is going to change, its temperature is going to change, or anything at all could happen. Its shape is going to change. So two things need to happen. I think I defined the first condition in the past, but I maybe forgot to talk about the second condition, or I didn't realize that at the time. So basically, two things need to come in contact or informally touch each other, and I mean, common contact is a formal definition to like, or two things can touch, such as, for example, I don't know, ray of light or light hitting a mirror or something like that, anything at all, or envelope paper hitting a table or something. So basically, two things have to come in contact, and there has to be one of them has to have a momentum, and some portion of that momentum has to be directed towards the other things. So in other words, they have to push at each other, and there has to be some pressure between them. Basically, let me do. For example, we have two particles. Basically, just a basic picture like this. One of the particles, let's say this one is stationary and this one is moving, and this particle comes in contact with the second particle, and at some point in time it continues to push on this particle, and as a result, the first particle's velocity changes and the second particle's velocity changes, as well as their position, and so on. So after the moment when this particle pushed on this particle, both of these particles become what we know as information. So that's what information is, and I'm going to expand on that in the future and make a more comprehensive video, but I just wanted to make a quick video about that at this point in time. Thanks very much.